Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY twin tub and the portable washing machine. In this video, we will evaluate their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one fits your laundry needs best. Let's dive in. The COSTWAY twin tub offers a total capacity of 26 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller items and delicate clothing. If you often wash larger loads, the COSTWAY is the clear winner here. The COSTWAY features a twin tub design with separate compartments for washing and spinning, allowing for efficient laundry processing. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is compact and foldable, making it easy to store and transport. This design makes the Nixod ideal for those with limited space. When it comes to price, the COSTWAY is priced at $189, while the portable washing machine is significantly cheaper at $78. If you're on a budget or need a machine for light use, the Nixod offers great value for money without compromising on essential features. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The COSTWAY twin tub is perfect for larger households needing more capacity, while the portable washing machine is ideal for those with limited space and budget. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.